another beautiful day. What are you ordering? So we're cooking beans and yam. Beans and yam. These boys have my back. So I'm cutting the yam. As you can see, I'm cooking yam with the beans. I've cooked my beans already. My beans is ready. So I'm just doing this one fast, okay? So keep liking my fans, my lovers. I love you guys. Keep supporting. 2 days, yeah, I can see that you people are supporting me because of this story. I shared about how my page is not doing anything. The page has been monetized, but you only get paid when you have too much views. And I'm not start getting that much of views, so I'm not earning anything for now. So because of that, I have to pause. I have to pause. Yeah, and the stress and everything, wasting of data. This country, data this time around is another wahala. So I pause. Then I decide to be. I advise myself, you can do it. Keep on pushing. Just one day, you get. Then I start again. So I believe my fans will help me. They're watching my video, liking, commenting. Get. Yeah. I have followers, but they're not watching. They're not watching my video. I don't know. So I beg them to be doing so. If you want me to be earning, because if you're not getting views, no ego for you. Get. So by the special grace of God, I'm able to monetize the page, but I'm not seeing the views. That's my problem. I'm not getting any views. Do some. It's very, very soft. Very soft. The yam that I missed is Monday. Today is Thursday. Very soft. I say it's not holding. To one part is strong. One part is strong. liking, keep commenting, okay? Keep sharing my video. You can help me. Let's build this channel. By watching my video, you help me share it. You subscribe to my channel. You subscribe and yeah, also help us share. I believe one day we will reach there. Okay, so keep watching, okay? Keep supporting. It's not easy. Really easy. So let me see again. This one is very, very strong. Oh, strong, 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 strong. So much strong. So much strong. Honestly, choose to love myself first before any other person. Honestly, because this life, if you don't go with that. Don't go with that. So love yourself first before any other person. I'll choose to love myself first before any other person. Because what I'm seeing, I don't think anyone loves me in this life. So especially you don't have something. If you don't have anything, you're nobody. Okay guys, so we're putting it. So I'm starting for now. stay tuned to finish our food, okay? Please keep watching, keep liking, keep subscribing, okay? Yeah. This point, food is ready. Look good, yeah. So come join me. Let's have lunch. Okay. Thank you everyone for watching. Okay. Keep liking, keep commenting, keep watching, and keep subscribing. Okay. Bye for now.